YouTube, welcome back. It's your boy Mac. Today got another install for you guys. Today we're going to be installing the Puig Z Racing windscreen, obviously from Puig. But before we get into that, let's do a quick cold start, shall we? I think we should. Alright. Let's get this box open. Let's get this thing installed. Very simple modification here. Tends to help with bigger guys like myself. I am 6 feet tall, 218 pounds. Shoulders are a little bit broad, so any wind resistance that I can possibly get would be helpful. And that's exactly what this is going to do for me. And there it is. I got this smoked. It doesn't really look that smoked though. Ugh. This is like the perfect amount of smoke in my opinion though. Because I can still see through it at nighttime. And it's definitely taller than the stock one. Not by much, because I know there were other ones out there. I think this is the Z, and I think there was an R, but the R was like really tall. It was like, gave the bike almost like a mohawk. But yeah man, let's go ahead and install this bad boy. This is like one of the simplest installs you can do. It's just 3 screws on each side, and then we'll put this thing back in. So I'll see you guys in a sec. All right, we got both of the windscreens off. Just so you guys see the differences between the two. I hope you guys get this through camera. We can see here that the Z Racing is a lot taller than the stock one. That's definitely gonna give me some more wind protection. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy off. And the clear smoke is like actually perfect, because you know at nighttime when I'm tucking down, I definitely still want to be able to see. And this looks good. I'll still be able to see through that even in the darkest of nights. So let's go ahead and put this on. All right, we got this bad boy installed, and I think this thing looks absolutely great. Definitely gives the profile of this bike a definitely more aggressive look, and we can definitely see the height of the tall of the windscreen. That's definitely going to be doing me some justice, but it looks absolutely menacing. I love this, and I love the fact that it's not dark. Like this tint is like the perfect amount of tint. Because I have heard horror stories. Actually, one of my boys had a Gixxer with one of these windscreens that was clear, and in a certain sunlight, the beam of the light went into the windscreen and actually cracked his LCD dash on there because the windscreen was actually magnifying the sun rays into there. So hopefully that'll help with that. Hopefully that doesn't happen. But yeah, man, awesome install. No, I definitely got some more plans for this bike. Not gonna do too much cosmetic stuff. I do want to get some engine case covers and maybe some tank protectors as well too. Maybe a couple little cosmetic stuff, but y'all know I'm all about performance. So just another thing that I'm adding inside of here. I got a couple more parts that I want to install in here as well too. So be on the lookout for that video. Smackdown's coming too. I'm about to order my straps, and we're gonna have some proper Smackdowns on this channel for sure. More track days coming up too. Already booked for NYST, and I'm gonna try to get to NJMP in between going to NYST for sure, guys. So yeah, guys, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next episode. People, ride safe and peace out.